Good morning, students. Through this video today I am going to tell you about lead championship, particularly for the senior classes, class 7, 8 and 9. So as you can see here on the screen, you are having two categories: science champ for senior students and English champ for senior students. So I am going to tell you that how actually we have to do it. Let's first of all go for the science champ. So as you can see in the science champ, okay, for classes 7, 8 and 9, what you have to do actually here, you have to create a science project. The entry will be individual, means आप सभी को अपना अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है. एंड यू हैव अपलोड कैसे करना है आपको, या तो उसको इमेज फॉर्मेट में या फिर पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में आप उसे अपलोड कर सकते हैं. व्हाट यू नीड टू अपलोड, it is actually a critical thinking project. As you can see here, template for science project. Let's see it. So here actually in this project work you have to take up some common problem. आपको एक common problem लेनी है. Then you have to tell that what actually will be happening due to that problem. Next is what things that you need to solve this problem. हम इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कैसे कर सकते हैं. देन नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स यू हैव टू थिंक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू मेंशन द आइडिया ऑफ सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम, देन स्टेप्स, एंड द योर स्टेप शुड बी साइंटिफिक स्टेप्स. ओके, यू हैव टू थिंक एंड critical thinking and create something. So what actually you have to do, you have to create and identify a problem. You have to, students will identify a problem and solve the problem by designing or creating a model using waste material. Whatever is the solution you are thinking from your problem, so you have to solve it using a model, and that model should be made of the waste material. Okay, and you only have to submit your note this time. If you get selected in the qualifier round, then your model will be submitted. Okay, and how you have to submit your entry. So to submit your entry, as you can see on the screen at the bottom, it is written submit your entry here. Click on it, and in this click on the when you will click on submit your entry, you will be asked for your mobile number. So whatever is your mobile number that has been entered on the lead app, you have to submit that mobile number. Then you will get an OTP. Submit that OTP. Select your category. So here your category will be Science Champs Senior, and then you have to upload your entry and submit it. Okay, similarly you can go for the English Champ also. So what actually you need to do in the English Champ, let's see. So English Champ Senior, it is a public speaking skills. Okay, so what you have to do in this, you have to record your video of your speech in 2 minutes. Okay, and your communications would be in English only. Some topics have been given here in which you have to prepare your speech. What are they? Is there value in assigning homework to the students? My biggest inspiration in life and how that motivates me. Should nations open up their borders around the world? What can children and students around the world do to stop the climate change? And if I could travel to any place on earth, I would go where? These are some of the topic. So choose any one of the topic from here and record your video. Your video must be at a noise free place. Your voice must be clear. You should have been dressed properly. These are some points that you have to keep in your mind while you record your video. So record your video from any of the topic given of your speech. Your mode of communication should be English, and upload it before 30th of November. Children, all of you have to participate in this competition. Okay, thank you.